Welcome back. In this section, we want to give you an overview of how we think about meditation. Many people think about meditation in a religious or spiritual context, often associated with Eastern religions, but also sometimes with Western ones. Well, we have a very different view of it. Our view is informed from over 15 years of scientific research into fundamental well-being and the part of the population that used it to reach it and to get there. These folks were all over the place in terms of demographics. It included religious and spiritual people, to be sure, and in fact, we cut a broad swath across the various traditions. However, it also involved many people who were atheists, agnostics, or just generally didn't consider themselves spiritual in any way at all. We came to see these techniques not in some kind of mystical or religious light, but as practices that can be used powerfully and reliably to impact the brain and the processes that are going on in it, if they are truly understood and done properly. Over the course of our research, we also wound up uncovering something that we like to call the fit problem. We found that meditation can be very successful for the vast majority of people when it's understood properly and put into the proper context. And that proper context relates to the fit problem. So the fit problem basically tells us that if someone practices a meditation technique and it does not lead them to transitioning to fundamental well-being within a relatively short period of time, which can be moments, a week, or maybe 2 weeks at the most likely the reason is because there's a misalignment between that method and the person using it, and frankly, just that person's overall mind-body system at that moment in time. The reason we say this is because of our data. Many of the people who reached fundamental well-being in our research had tried many of the same methods over years. However, different methods worked for different people. That's actually what inspired this program. And we've done this program for years now and have seen the exact same thing. Time and again, some methods will work for some people, but not for others. And in a large enough group, every method will work for some. In the next video, we'll talk more about the fit problem. I'll see you there.